welcome to my channel, and if this is the first time watching, a warm welcome to you. Now today hi my subscribers, hello everybody. Today I have a wonderful treat for you guys, and here it is. This is an anti-aging wrinkle fighting facial mist. Now this facial mist is a wonderful facial mist. It is filled with antioxidants that is great for the skin. The nutrients in this facial mist is gonna help to boost your collagen production. It's gonna help to tighten your sagging skin. It is also gonna help to get rid of wrinkles and fine lines, especially around the eyes and around the lips. Now this also is gonna moisturize the skin. It's gonna have your skin looking bright and supple. So if you're interested in this wonderful facial mist, come with me to the kitchen and I'll show you how to whip this up in no time. To make our anti-aging wrinkle fighting facial mist, I'm going to be using some rice, and any rice will do, whether brown rice or white rice. I'm also going to be using pomegranate, and pomegranate is loaded with antioxidant that is great for fighting wrinkles and also great for closing up large open pores. And our third ingredient is green tea, and go ahead and use green tea bags. If you do not have green tea bags, use loose leaves. Alright, you're gonna need a jar for storing, preferably a glass jar, and a spray bottle is good. If you do not have a spray bottle, do not worry. Cotton pads is great for application also. Now here are some other things you're going to use. You're going to use a bowl, a strainer, and also a spoon. And here is an optional ingredient for you. You could actually use vegetable glycerine for preservative. It is not necessary. However, if you have the vegetable glycerine in it, it will last much longer. Now first I'm going to prepare my pomegranate, and I've gone ahead and started removing the seeds. Now here are our pomegranate seeds. Now for our green tea, here I have 2 tea bags. As a matter of fact, you could actually make this like the night before, since we're going to be using it cool. And so I'm going to pour 1 cup of water on the tea bags. So here we have our green tea, we have our pomegranate, and we have our rice. Once you have your green tea cooled, this is what you're going to do. So now we're going to put our facial mist together. Now I'm going to be using a half a cup of rice. So we're going to put that to the side, and we're going to use a half a cup of pomegranate. And on our pomegranate, I'm going to pour 1 cup of green tea. And next you're going to use your hands, and you're going to use your hands to just crush the pomegranate. Just crush them in it. Now what I'm doing here, I'm extracting the pomegranate juice from the seeds. You can also choose to blend this. However, I like doing it the old-fashioned way so that I don't have much of the seed particles in it when I'm done. Now once this is done, we're going to place our rice here, and we're going to use our strainer. And we're going to pour the pomegranate and green tea in our rice. Now to make sure that we get all the juice from the pomegranate, we're going to use our spoon and continue to crush the pomegranate just to make sure all the juice is extracted. Once this is done, there's our seeds, and now you could actually discard this, alright? So here is our pomegranate, green tea, and rice. We're going to give this a stir, and then you're going to cover tightly. Make sure it's tight. And you're going to leave this to ferment for 24 hours. Okay, you do not need to put it in the refrigerator. Just make sure that it's covered tightly. Leave it on your countertop for 24 hours. All right, now it has been 24 hours and I'm going to open. I'm going to stir. It's going to look a little cloudy, but that's good. That's a sign that it has fermented nicely with the rice. I'm going to strain it over a glass for easy pouring. Now you can choose to keep this rice to make a facial scrub. It is still filled with a lot of antioxidant, anti-aging properties for younger looking skin. Now here is our facial mist. If you're going to use the glycerine in it, this is the time you choose to put it in. And I'm going to use a teaspoon of glycerine. Remember, this is optional. If you do not have glycerine, it's okay. All right. Then you're just going to mix. I'm just using glycerine as a preservative. If you do not have glycerine, just forget about it. It's just as effective. Here is my bottle, and I'm going to try to pour as best as I can without spilling. Doing good so far. Whoops. And this is one down. And for the remainder, let me try to fill my little spray bottle. Exact amount. Perfect. Here it is, our anti-aging, wrinkle-fighting, rice water, pomegranate, green tea facial mist. So now I'm going to try this, guys. And I've made this before, so I know that this works very well. Okay? So go ahead and try this recipe. There you have it. Thank you all for watching. Remember, thumbs the video up if you like it. Don't forget to leave your comment and share the video. And if this was your first time watching, click the word subscribe, or better yet, hit up my face in black and white in that circle at the end of the video and you will be subscribed. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.